Right, I'm gonna test the razor blade I bought from the internet. And before I turn on the power, you can hear nothing. Alright, let's begin to plug in the AC adapter. Yeah, the sound appears and you can hear that. I'm putting my iPad on the keyboard. Right, let me log in. And you can also hear it from the bottom. Yeah, this sound is very annoying and I don't think it's normal. This only may start to open the computer, and if you're trying to play games and open several websites, the noise will be exaggerated a little bit. And you can hear it, still hear it. The sound is come from this area. It's in the middle. I don't know why. Alright, now we can turn it off and then the sound will disappear. The weird thing, the weird thing is when you plug in the AC adapter, even if this computer is turned off, the sound's still there. It's incredible. You can still hear that. And when you pull off the plug-in, the sound gone. That is a test of the weird noise from this computer.